Dashidele dog signs, what are you attracting in this May month? So this is your monthly reading, and first starting of the month, let's see. Starting of the month, okay, starting of the month you have the devil energy. Okay, so this energy is like you have to deal with something but you're not dealing with that. This can be above for like your laziness, or you are consuming something that you should not have, or you have to spend some time somewhere else but you are wasting that time or this can be anything. Okay, so there's some devil energy, or this can be in a relationship. You have to like come out from the toxic or some relationship that you should not be in that, but you're not coming out. That kind of energies around the starting of the month, but finally I think you're coming out from this kind of energy, whatever this is for you. Okay, because the Nine of Cups, this card shows that you are satisfied finally, and you have made the decision, come out from that kind of situation, and you look very satisfied, positive, grateful for your life and for your partner, for your work. You're feeling very grateful for whatever you have, that kind of energy. Okay, around the mid of the May month, what are you attracting? Okay, so you have some idea around the mid of the month, and you're following that idea. Okay, very fast you're following that idea. Okay, and because of following that idea you're going to gain this energy. This card is all about celebration and completion, not completion, sorry, celebration. And this card is all about you are coming out from the restriction and celebrating with your friends and family members about your achievement, or marriage, birthday party. This can be anything. Okay, you're celebrating with your loved ones. That's a very positive energy. And around the end of the month, what are you attracting? Okay, so finally you're opening up your heart for someone. Okay, you are expressing your feeling to someone, or someone is going to express their feeling, love feeling to you. And because of this positive energy, okay, because of this positive energy or positive gesture, like romantic gestures are going to be there in around the end of the month. Because of this energy you are coming out from this energy. This is like heartbreak or past pain in the past, or some trauma. This can be anything. Okay, you are coming out from the situation. Okay, this is like you are healing. You are going to get a lot of healing energy after this gesture. Okay, this positive gesture. Okay, so that's it for you. I hope this reading resonated. Claim this positive energy in the comment section.